Is English grammar very important for speaking English? The answer is absolutely not. Then how to learn English language? Watch this video, my friend. You will get an idea that how to learn speaking English without following even a single step of grammar. Watch this video completely. So friends, I understand if you are a beginner, you don't want to focus too much, you don't want to spend your too much time on grammar portion, then these two techniques are very helpful for you. The first technique is that you have to listen more and more. You have to listen as much as it is possible, because the more you listen, the better you understand and the better you try your best to perform those in speaking activities. So first step is that you need to listen more and more. Now in the starting, what you can listen, don't go and watch those English news channels first of all, right? Because in the starting, when you go to those channels, you hardly understand something what they are speaking, because they speak really advanced, right? They speak really very fast, right? So in the starting, if you go there directly, you will be demotivated and you will blame me that, sir, you have suggested me to listen something. Oh my God. My friends, please point to be noted that I am not suggesting you to listen those English news channels for the first time. Initiate your listening skills. Start this with watching your basic English videos. Maybe the cartoon show. In the last video, I had recommended top 2 English cartoon shows. So if you people are new over here, if you have not watched my previous video, then please go and check out this video. Link has been given in the description box. So once you start watching those English cartoon shows, you will understand a little bit. When you listen, your mind starts working upon all those phrases, and that will help you a lot to open your mind for English completely, right? So those 2 cartoon shows will help you surely. If you are people new and very basic level, then you must check out these 2 cartoon shows, guys. These are super interesting, super fun, that will never let you feel bored, right? That will never let you feel bored. That will be super fun and interesting. So go and check out those 2 cartoon shows. Now this is the step 1, that you have to watch and listen those cartoon shows network. Now what after that? By watching those videos only, you cannot improve your speaking skills, because speaking comes by speaking. So for speaking, you have to speak first, right? So once you are listening, listen it for few days, then start your level best to try to speak over those simple phrases using shadowing technique. So the number 2 point is shadowing technique. That shadowing technique is super important, guys, super important. Why am I saying this? Shadowing technique is something, for example, if I am watching this video right now, whatever the video is saying, for example, one cartoon character is saying to another that, how are you doing today? I will learn this phrase and I will repeat within myself. I will say, how are you doing today? How are you doing today? So simply I will imitate that dialogues from that cartoon show. So what is happening here basically? I am listening, I am speaking, I am listening and speaking, I am listening and speaking, I am listening and speaking, right? So again and again, when you keep doing these activities for few weeks only, you will see a drastic change. And you don't need to cram now grammar rules. V1, V2, V3, you don't need to cram all those things. You simply need those basic sentence structures which you will get watching those 2 cartoon shows. That will be superb and that will be super fun, and that will be easy activity. That will be an easy task for you and fun task for you, right? And that's why we have named this channel Learn English with Fun, right? Now let me just recollect these points. Firstly, you have to watch those 2 shows frequently for few days. Then you have to start imitating those characters, what they are speaking, how they are speaking, what sentences they are using, what phrases they are using. Notice every single small phrases from those 2 shows. I am damn sure that you can improve your English communication skills without focusing too much on grammar. So this is how you can improve. And very soon in the next video, if you suggest me, if you comment down below, I will upload some other videos for you in which I will recommend some top English shows as an intermediate level or an advanced level. These 2 are the basic and very fundamental and very small talk conversation cartoon shows where you fell in love completely with these 2 cartoon characters, right? That will be surely very helpful for you all. Now that's all for this video today. Try this activity and grab your opportunity to improve your communication skills, because this is one of the best skills that you can gift to yourself and to the world. Alright guys, that's all for today in this video. I hope you learnt it well. In the next video, I will come up with some other interesting topic. If you have some other topics, please comment down below. I will come up with the same activity or the same topic for you. Now at the end, I would like to thank you so much for watching this video till the end. We'll see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Take care.